Hello, sir, I see you. This is actually a dope fucking spot. Just watching the world go by. Everyone's got places to go and things to do and food to shop for and to go home and cook. And meanwhile, I'm just here. Wow, dude, who would have thunk that sitting in a tree at a busy intersection of a grocery store parking lot would be so gosh darn entertaining? I mean, entertaining for you? Debatable. Entertaining for me? Abso-freaking-lutely. Alright, time to go grocery shopping.